the sewage system is kind of like a river network. There's hundreds of samples being collected on a daily basis from across campus. There's organisms that come from feces. There's organisms that come from the soil where there's leaks in the sewage system. There's organisms that actually live inside the sewer pipes. And so we can sort of study the sewer system as an ecosystem to understand what organisms live there, where do they come from, what are they doing there, are they involved in deterioration of sewer pipes, and also look at spatial patterns across campus because we have different buildings. And the other thing we can do is look at temporal patterns, look at differences in sewage system weekday, for example, versus weekend.
Studying information in sewage can be really relevant for being able to study large populations of people in terms of, sewage output can kind of capture what's happening at like a neighborhood or city level.
It's really, really cool to be able to look at the sewage and see what's going on for a population, because that way you don't have to collect samples from every single member of the population.
One thing we can learn from this is, again, to study gut microbial community across populations and see how that might relate to health. We can look to see if there's particular bacteria, for example, that we may see associated with the detection of COVID-19 virus. We can also look to see if there's other taxa that may correlate with diet, or changes in antibiotic usage, or changes in illness patterns.
Using a sewer system to track pandemics or track outbreaks of other diseases, there's a lot that we can learn about human health if we look to the sewers, and I think that's going to be a trend.